Lotus Emira revealed with two engine options. The tried and tested supercharged 3.5-liter V6 of Toyota origin soldiers on in the Emira, having been used extensively in the now discontinued Exige and Evora. The second option underneath the hood is a turbocharged 2.0-liter gasoline engine from AMG, which also supplies V8 engines to Aston Martin. It's the M139 unit found in the latest generation AMG 45 models, in which it delivers up to 416 horsepower in the range-topping 45S versions of AMG's compact cars. Without revealing how much power each engine will produce, Lotus says the Emira will offer between 360 and 400 horsepower, with a maximum torque of 317 pound-feet. The quickest and fastest version will hit 62 miles per hour from a standstill in less than 4.5 seconds and top out at 180 miles per hour.